Tecno Spark 10 Pro Unveiled, Premium Glass Back Design, Helio G88 SoC, 90Hz screen and more. Subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. The Tecno Spark 10 Pro is now official. The newcomer has an iPhone-inspired design with 3 silos embedded inside the frame. With its boxy fuselage, the phone boasts an elegant build in starry black and pearl white shades. Its feature sheet also stands out and is sure to impress many. Here is a quick rundown. From the get-go, Tecno Spark 10 Pro looks like a typical budget Android phone. However, it features a glass backplate, a trait known only to exist in flagships. Due to its frosted finish and glittered texture, the company refers to it as hard-wearing starry glass. Tecno price list in Pakistan 2023. It packs well-rounded hardware for hassle-free daily driving. Starting with its screen, the Spark 10 Pro has a 90Hz refresh rate, Full HD Plus resolution, and a large 6.8-inch footprint. Loaded with 8GB physical and 8GB virtual RAM, it boasts an ultimate 256 GB of storage space, also expandable via SD card. Moving on to its SoC, the newcomer Spark has MTK Helio G88, an upgraded sequel to Helio G85, handling the faster refresh rate with its 1080p resolution. The processor and screen draw power from its 5000 mAh cell, rechargeable via a Type-C 18W plug. It is going to be a brand new addition to the Tecno price list. Also deserve mentioning is its camera setup. The Spark 10 Pro has 4 lenses, one on the front bearing a 32MP high-res selfie shooter and 3 on the back. There is a 50MP primary unit and unspecified, likely AI lenses, for assistance. Its default camera app is crammed with features like Super Night Mode and 3D LUTs, quickly stylizing your photos. Tecno Spark 10 Pro price in Pakistan and specs. In Essentials, users get a side-facing thumb reader, NFC 4G connectivity, a headphone jack, a single loudspeaker, and an FM radio. Spark 10 Pro boots to iOS 12.6 OS based on Android 13. The company has just announced the phone, and its retail is yet to begin. Its pricing details are yet to unwrap, but the 8C from the predecessor lineup is readily available in the domestic market. Tecno Spark Mobile 8C price in Pakistan is around 44,000 rupees. Like, comment and subscribe my channel.